say. Cause everybody want in a politics and want on politician and all them thing there. But hear me I say right now. We have some simple rules and guidelines where you have to go follow if you don't want to become a successful Jamaican politician. Number one, you have to learn how to tell lie. You have to learn how to tell some good lie, some good sweet lie. That's a number one. You can be a Jamaican politician, a successful Jamaican politician, and can't tell lie. You have to learn how to tell a good lie as a Jamaican politician. Number two, you have to learn how to give people promises and don't keep the promises them. Never keep a promises what you keep. You see me? Never keep one. Promise the people and something but don't keep it. Number three, learn how to dashboard from one another. You have to learn how to dashboard from one another. You see me? So you can't go be a successful Jamaican politician and just sit down and go like some idiot. Dash on dirty thinking within a parliament more while. You have to be ugly. You have to be a rotted ugly man. Or a woman. And you have to have a rotted nose. You have to have a ras nose. Your nose have a big character. That's a successful Jamaican politician. If you really want to be successful as a Jamaican politician, you have to follow them rules and guidelines there. Else, you're not going to be a successful Jamaican politician. You get what me I say? Now come off of my YouTube.